Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I am glad to see you here. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Glenn, and if you are returning subscribers, besties, hello. So as you guys can see already in the video, I'm gonna be talking about my Sephora must-haves or like favorites. But can we talk about this flower that I got earlier from the farmers market? The Amish people, like the way this flowers just kind of like set up is just amazing. But anyways, we're gonna start right now because I have plenty of like Sephora favorites, and don't worry because all the stuff that I will be mentioning in today's video is gonna be linked on my description bar below, so it's easier for you guys, you know, if you want to shop. So all of these I would say are more of like, I would not say every day because I don't wear makeup every day. Just when I wear makeup, like especially in the weekends, that's when I do wear makeup. But yeah, these are like almost like everyday kind of like staple for me. Or if I'm wearing a makeup, if I'm going out and then wearing makeup, these are like my staple. So let's start with face makeup first. So you guys know I have been raving about this primer for how many years now, and you can see it through the bottle. This is the Milk Hydro Makeup Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Cosmetics. You guys, I literally legit running low on these primer because this is the primer that I use when I'm doing my makeup. I never repurchase any primer from other brands. I do have Tatcha, but I planned that on giving that to my sister in Australia. But these are just a primer that really works on my skin type. So yeah, this primer really works for me when it comes to like high-end product. So yeah, this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Cosmetics. And then we're gonna talk about the foundation now, which is kind of like the base. Before I jump to the foundation, let me just put you guys on this right here. So this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I saw this all over the internet, all over TikTok, and I purchased the mini version, which is this one right here. I also feature this on my empty products that have been used up. I'm still not gonna like throw this away because there's still quite more products in here, but I want to show it to you guys. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. So this, ever since I purchased this has been in my like makeup routine now. I put this before putting foundation, and it will just give you like that glow from within, especially like I would say spring, summertime, or like early fall. Like you want to do like your makeup and you want to do just like very like natural or even heavy makeup, put this first before your foundation. Your makeup, like your skin look like glowy. This will give you that glowy from within, like this one right here. And I picked up the shade 4.5 medium. But yeah, this is a little bit this is I believe $15, but the bigger bottle is a little expensive. I mean, it's Charlotte Tilbury, but yes, I'm planning on repurchasing the bigger bottle because I just want to try the small version first before actually committing on buying the bigger version. So now that I really love these, and by the time hopefully when I'm finished with this one, I can probably purchase like the bigger version because this still has like some products in it. So yeah, these are the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Okay, we're gonna move on to the foundation now. This is the Nars foundation, and this is the only high-end foundation that I also been loving. I do have some other high-end foundation that I love from Sephora, but this I catch myself using and wearing this foundation multiple times. It just gives that radiant. I have an oily to combination skin, but this just gives me that like really like natural glow. I really love this foundation. But yeah, this is the Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation, and this will literally last me for I would say 16 hours. It just, the finish of this foundation, I'm actually wearing it right now, it's just so glowy. But yeah, I really love these, and I picked up the shade Punjab. That's my shade right there. Really love these. And then also, speaking of like I would say foundation kind of. So they sent me these. This was like a couple months ago. By the way, this is not sponsored, but I just love this brand so much. They're a new brand and you can purchase them at Sephora. They're this is the brand called Mirette. So they sent these over, like I said, a couple months ago, and they sent me a shade Buff and Biz. So you guys, I also use this today. All the products that probably I'll be mentioning to this video is like I use it in today's makeup. So the shade Biz is more, I would say, since this is a little, you can see that I use this a lot. This, I would say, use this for kind of like concealer. This is like the combination of concealer and foundation. It's like literally no in between. And the shade Buff, I tend to use this to kind of like correct if I have like pimples, and kind of like use this as like a really like slightly contour or like bronzer, because this is a little bit like darker shade than the shade Biz. But yeah, I tend to use this. I use this like I said, I use this in kind of like my concealer today. If I don't use my Nars, I tend to use this together if I want to do just like a very like minimal look, you know, like not too heavy. I tend to use these two. And we're gonna move forward, which is another Nars product. I have been really loving the Nars product, and so this is pretty just like self-explanatory. These are just the OG of like makeup, especially this one right here. I have no idea how Nars created this concealer, the one, especially the pot concealer. It is very like it's like full coverage, but at the same time it's creamy, and it doesn't look heavy on the face. I have no idea how they make these products, but it's just that good. But yeah, these are the Nars pot concealer, and I am in the shade medium to ginger right here. And I literally, every time I put makeup, this has to be in my face. Like this just will cover, you know. Here's the thing, I am more onto like natural, you know, you don't really have to cover everything, but if you are in the need to cover up your blemishes, your acne marks, or whatever that you want to cover, grab the one of these, because it will cover everything. And also the creamy concealer, I just love these. The Radiant Creamy Concealer, I love these. I like to just put a little tiny bit of these like around like my inner corner in the eyes. It's just like give me that a little bit of how do you call that, like brightness, because this is like, I would say a brighter shade. And if you guys are wondering, this is medium 1 in custard, and like I said, this is the shade ginger. And then also we're gonna move on to another Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm pretty sure everybody on their, like every makeup guru on this planet like keep mentioning this product, and you guys probably all know that. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Powder. And look at this pan. I am almost like done with this pan. I am not purchasing yet because I want to finish until like I'm like fully like done using all of this like powder. I have no idea, like I really have no idea how they make this product. Like you guys can look at my makeup right now. It's amazing. It's airbrush. It looks so fucking amazing. I have no idea how they create this type of like product. It's just that good. Like it is really good. And for a price point, I would say I know it's expensive, but this will last you, I would say, like for like a good year or two, maybe. Even if it only recommends what 30 months in here, like maybe a good 2 years or two. Also it depends on if you wear makeup every day, you'll probably be done with this by 6 months or a year. But I really love this product. And yeah, I'm also planning on repurchasing these. All of these products I'm planning on repurchasing, especially when I'm probably, you know, done using the products, or if I don't have any products anymore in the pan, then that's the time when I repurchase them. Okay, we're gonna move on to cream blush, and it'll probably last me for like another 6 years or 5 years my existence. This is, I'm talking about from Rare Beauty Cosmetics. Selena Gomez, she is an angel. We stand Selena here, okay? But anyways, this is the Rare Beauty cream blush, and especially the shade Love. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is just amazing. Like, I already watches a couple of like videos before I purchased this like a couple months ago, and they keep saying little goes a long way, little goes a long way, and I didn't listen. I literally I slide this cream blush and I ending up looking like a clown because I should have listened. I should have known better. I literally had to wipe everything back and just start putting my foundation again, because I didn't listen to the people in the internet. They said little goes a long way, and you can just blend it in. Little goes a long way, and like I said, this will last me like forever, because like I said, little goes a long way, and it's just amazing. I love these blushes. I really love this shade. So, and I'm also planning on purchasing maybe another, you know, another 1 or 2 like cream blushes. I mean, not now, but maybe hopefully like for like Christmas. I'm planning on purchasing another like blush, especially from Rare Beauty. And okay, we're gonna talk about lips, because I'm excited to talk about lips in this video. And we're gonna talk first. Like I said, this is not sponsored by Murad. I just love their product so much. And if you guys want to purchase anything from Murad, I will leave their link on the description bar below. They have their whole website, and also you can purchase them at Sephora. I think they come with a new like tinted lip oil. This tinted lip oil, they sent me 3, by the way. The other one is in my almost like everyday bag when I'm like going out, because that shade, I forgot the shade, it's just amazing. So right here, I want to show it to you guys. This is the shade Sangria and Au Natural. These are their lip oil. Yeah, this is their tinted lip oil from Murad. Okay, why am I not focused in the product? Okay, hold on. Right there. So yeah, these are the Murad tinted lip oil. They have another shades. I'll probably, like I said, put the link on the description bar below so you guys can, you know, take a look with them. But yeah, I really love this tinted lip oil. It's so natural. It doesn't feel like you have any heavy like lipstick or lip gloss in your lips. They're actually also a decent price point, so highly recommend Murad tinted lip oil. Okay, another product from Murad is their mascara. I freaking love this mascara. If you already have, if God bless you with you know, like long lashes, put this on and it will make you, if it looks like you have like an extension, like a natural extension, it will just, I don't know, like I have no idea how they make this like product. It will literally give you that like natural, like you have extension on. Like this mascara is just mind-blowing. I freaking love this mascara right here. I mean, you cannot see it because I'm wearing falsies, but I really love these. When it comes to like, if I don't feel like putting fake lashes on, I put this and it's just gives me the look that I want. It's like very like natural looking. I really love these, and also planning on repurchasing this. But yeah, this is from Murad as well, in the shade, of course, Perfect Black. And then we're gonna move on with setting spray. I have 2 favorite setting spray here, which is from Rare Beauty. I'm almost done with these, and also from Charlotte Tilbury. I also featured this on my products that I've used up, like my empties. I just want to show you guys this because it needs to be said again. I fucking love this setting spray. It will last you. Your makeup will stay put. When I say it will stay put, it will stay put. I fucking love this and highly recommend these. A lot of your favorite makeup artists or makeup MUA or makeup guru on YouTube right now also highly recommend these, and they are not how do you call this, they are not lying, because I tested this and as you guys can see, it's empty. I love this product so much, and I'm planning on repurchasing this again. And also, well, before that, I just want to make sure that I empty my Rare Beauty. I also love these. This is I like to, when I'm putting makeup, I like to like spray once I put like my concealer on, kind of like let my concealer sit for like at least a minute, and spray this Rare Beauty setting spray. And before blending it, I spray it with these and then, you know, blending the cream products. And I noticed a huge difference, like putting a setting spray and after like making your concealer set first for a minute, and then putting this like spray and then like blending it. It just makes a difference. I have no idea, but it just makes a difference. It just blend into your skin like really nicely. But yeah, this product is from Rare Beauty as well. That's all the stuff that I wanna like feature in today's video, especially from Sephora. And like I said, don't worry, all the products that I will be mentioning in today's video will be on my description bar below. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day, wonderful evening, afternoon, or wherever you are right now. Anyways, don't forget to like to this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I mean, you made this far, bitch. I mean, what are you doing? So anyways, I love you besties, and I will see you guys in my next video or vlog. Bye.